Hello everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is our comment video for tonight's $half-dollar hunt live stream at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm pretty excited to open up these boxes because we have 2 boxes of NF String & Sons, and we have 1 box of the Yellow Loomis rolls. But this box was picked up the same day from the same bank where Rob Finds Treasure picked up 3 boxes of Yellow Loomis rolls that he opened up on Friday's live stream last Friday. All 3 of those Yellow Loomis boxes had silver. One of them had a full roll of 40% silver. So I'm hoping that this box has silver as well. Hopefully it's another box that has 20. That would be awesome. But these days we'll take whatever silver we can get. Even if we don't find silver in these boxes, we will still be giving away silver tonight. And there's going to be 2 ways to enter. Comment on this video, that gets you entered into these 2 giveaways. We'll give away this George Washington proof dollar coin in a PCGS slab, proof 69. It'll be an end of stream giveaway, and we'll use a random comment picker off of this video. And then on Saturday, we'll pick the winner for this 1964 Kennedy, again, using this video's comments and the random comment picker. And then also be active and live in the chat on tonight's stream to be eligible into these 2 giveaways. We'll be giving away a pair of 1965 Kennedys, and then we'll also be giving away a 1907 Barber $half-dollar. So we hope to see you there, and then hopefully we have silver in these boxes, so we'll have even more giveaways tonight. It's always fun chatting with everybody and getting to know everybody, so we hope to see you there 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.